they
example,
relate to
you
MySQL.
have
MySQL
something
supports
called a
all of the
private
common
hosted
data
zone.
types and categories
That
mentioned,
is,
as well as
within
having
your
specific
VPC, you
categories
can
for
have
spatial
something
types,
like
and it has recently added the JSON text. So it should
mynetwork.com
cover almost
domain
any data
name
type you're
and
likely to
route
have.
traffic within this
Beyond that, it also
mynetwork.com
allows for more efficient
domain name.
storage by
Or you can
supporting
have
size
anything
limited
crazy like
types.
my
An
test
example of
demo
this can be seen in the different scales
registrars,
for
the third
integers,
party
which
like
range from a tiny
GoDaddy
int with a
or
max
some
number of 255
you know the
all the way
best
to a big int,
server
which can store numbers of over
authoritative, and
18 quintillion.
there is
This allows
you
you to
have a
only
lot of
allocate as
servers
much
running.
space as you will
It
actually
has a
need.
automatically not working. They
Now
don't
let's
have
talk
to
about how
refresh the
choosing a data
query.
type
Let us say
affects
you
what you
have
can
a
do with the
GoDaddy
data.
domain name
We have already
and
mentioned
you
several
have three
ways that the
servers.
data type can affect the space used as well as your processing efficiency, but let's talk about something more tangible. That is, how the type affects what you can do with the data. For example, it is possible to store a date as an int or a string instead of as an actual date, and as long as all you are doing is storing and retrieving the date, that's fine. But let's say you then wanted to order the dates so that you had them from oldest to newest. Let's take a look at what happens in the chart below. When told to order the date, the system is going to order the integer by pure numeric value, while it orders the string alphabetically. Both of these fail to give you the date from oldest to newest, but the correct types allows for getting the correct dates in the right order. So now that we know how important the types can be, let's go over how to choose the best type for you. To do that, there are
Servers
three
configured
primary things to consider.
domain and
First, think about what you're going to be
uh,
storing.
is there
That includes
is
both what it
server
is as well as its length.
not
If all you're storing are small numbers, then there's no reason to use
IBM.com,
a string or a
SMTP,
big int.
or
That
IMAP,
just limits
or any other
functionality or
mailing
wastes
protocol will
space.
be called the name. And
Also,
there is nothing
consider how
between
important it is to
detailed
keep the data
symbol.
exactly as
Here you
input,
have a
or if it's
database
okay for
server
it to be
and
converted
a
in
web
some way.
server, and
Next,
Route
think
53 does
about
a
how you
health
may
check,
want to
and the
organize
health
or
check
report
says
on the
everything
data.
is happy and
If you're storing
healthy.
a name
So
and
you
a
see the
date,
secondary
and you
inactive
sometimes want it ordered
secondary
alphabetically and
filter
sometimes you
to a
want it ordered
bucket
by date,
which is
then you're going to need
inactive,
two
and
separate
you have
data
gone
type
fishing.
containers.
So what
But if you know you
happens
will always need it in an
when something goes
alphabetical
wrong?
list with both
The
name
health
and
check
date
turns
present, then it may be
health
okay
check
to store them
turns
together in a
the
single
instance
string.
into
Be
unhealthy.
careful though, as
You
it
can
may be
see the
too late if
primary
you
has
decide
become
later on to make
inactive
them
and the
separate.
secondary and route, and you can
Lastly,
trigger a
remember that
notification
this
on all
is a
those.
relational
You can
database,
have
and as such,
the
the
best
data
go to
may
the
be connecting to other
website.
data. It's always much easier to connect and filter data if both parts are the same type. Well, that's it for this lesson. Next time, we will go over how to install some of the programs you will need in order to use
This
MySQL.
has
Brought to you by
and
CreativeOnlineSchool.com.
this option Route 53 like a cloud trail or a cloud train image, and you want to get started now. We are going to set up a private hosted zone now. I'm going to set up two EC2 instances and try to connect to each one from another one using the private domain name that I'm going to use. So I'm going to click on create of now on this site. I think you can see that. I'm going to create a private one. When I used a demo VPC, you can see it. Say here, let me close this as well. Short while, the first private hosted zone or hosted zone, let us say, and by default you have these two records for any hosted zone. These are my name servers, DNS servers, and this is my statement of authority server record. So anybody querying for me and the answer comes from these servers will say that this is an authoritative answer. That create instances for which our endpoints or targets I'm going to start it, like where the traffic has to be sent. So for that, I'm going to go and start my, so about all of them, or remember some name, I'm going to create a zero. Opens up a tab on the site. I think you can see that. I'm going to see I need to go ahead and verify. I'm going to my VPC resolution and it is selected as yes, very good, which is going, and that is also the group is allowed. So if you see, I have said just check it out from to check whether my security group is allowing port 80 traffic from the external world. Switch it out from and start our instances in the port servers. Interestingly, it's also set up a pop-up quick mode, just pointing it to a record and say this is my IP address. Record is for my admin key. Okay, I should give a response IP. If work, but what I'm going to demonstrate is using the host name of the not enable ICMP. Okay, I'm just going to go to root give a response. Other instance with the IP address of the second server, it will work. But what I'm going to demonstrate is using the host name of the second server now. So let us go ahead and create a record set for the second server. I'm going to copy this IP address. I'm going to create another yes, and put it in my console. Give that set uh, and we are going to it after some domain name is unique. So far I've shown two demo that data and paste this in the browser to see what. And here is I always have only one bucket where all the data. If you here is multiple change it from geolocation to region specific. So any all I think that is not.
It here. What? Are there in a by default is given and one here and so once so service same is not edge so we are calculating here is okay guys how to develop your
VPN CRT client VPN in the node TLS server, the cryptographic transmission protocol. TLS auth, the POP VPN. Right-click on it and select 10.10.6. This way, we assign to the client the IP address 10, 10, 10, 5, or 6. The address can be different. Now, in your case, it can be different. For the
Right for now, hit the like button and
Hello, and so pick the right for your the address.
This tutorial into your Dinu account address. Then